Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking about the leaf spring, the Add-A-Leaf I put on my truck not that long ago, since I had a good enough time to test it out and really get a good opinion about it. Now, one of you guys by the name of 21 White Shark on Instagram reached out to me and wanted an update on this Add-A-Leaf kit and wanted to see what it looked like underneath the truck. So shout out to you. We're gonna go underneath the truck. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. If you wanna follow my Instagram, I do some reels. I do a little bit of behind the scenes kind of stuff. And you know, we can do Q&As like this more often if you want to. So my Instagram is Modern Day Biking. There's some underscores, whatever, but I'll post it right here. If you want, feel free. There's some cool stuff on there. And let's go ahead and check out these Add-A-Leafs. I've tried to record this intro like probably 90 times, but I live in a small town and apparently today it's just very busy with people driving around. So let's try to get this video done. Let's go. Okay, so here we are underneath the Tacoma, and as you see, the undercoating is looking pretty good. It is drying up and settling pretty well. But as you can see, this leaf pack here, let me get a little bit closer without getting undercoating all over my shirt, because Ashley would be mad at me for that. So right in there, right above the bottom, that is the torch Add-A-Leaf that I installed. See, it's settled pretty well. It's still got a good curve in it, but that is what's giving me the rear lift. This Add-A-Leaf here is about 1.5 to 2 inches. I'd say probably after it's settled, it's about 1.75 inches of lift in the rear. And yeah, I mean, it's settling good. Everything's fine. I did reuse the factory U-bolts for this. Sorry if the wind's a bit loud underneath this truck here. And they're fine. Everything's looking great. Nothing's come apart. Check out the other side here. Sorry, the exhaust is in the way a little bit. But you see that, again, right above the bottom one is where that Add-A-Leaf is sitting after we split the packs. And that one is also sitting fine, and I reused the U-bolts on that side as well. Hopefully that showed you a little bit more in depth of what it looks like when that Add-A-Leaf is installed in the pack and kind of where it goes. Like I said in that little clip there, it goes above the bottom one and it kind of just smushes in there. Not too bad to install. You can check out the install video again if you want to see how we installed it. It's not too in depth, but it should show you a little bit of how to install it. Now, performance is pretty good, honestly. When I was doing research on doing Add-A-Leaf versus a whole leaf pack, people said you would ruin the rear end performance and it would be too stiff and all this stuff. Honestly, I have not really had any issues at all with the performance of the suspension. For reference, I have the Bilstein 5100s. I'm running the TRD off-road springs in the front, Bilstein 5100s in the rear, and that torch Add-A-Leaf, and I'm very happy, and it's way better performance than the factory TRD Sport. And I know what you're thinking, you know, oh, I buy parts on Amazon, I don't really trust that. That's why I do it, and so you guys don't have to worry about it wasting your money. So I'll waste my money if it's a bad product, and I'll tell you if it's a bad product. But this right here, probably the best budget Add-A-Leaf that you can get for your truck if that's what you're looking to do. And all around, I've been able to take this truck on a few little overland trips and really test out the whole suspension and get everything broken in. And I'm impressed with it. I would probably buy it again if I had to. So that's my honest opinion of the Torch Add-A-Leaf. Pretty happy with it. And you know, if you're looking for a budget Add-A-Leaf for about $100, and I think it's $120, I'll leave it in the description and check it out. So moving forward, my dad just had the big C, you know, that thing. Can't really say that on YouTube, so I'm not going to, because I don't know what they'll do about it. But with his spare time he had off from work, he's been working on getting those rock sliders that I've got used cleaned up, and this is what they look like right now. I think they're looking awesome. Super excited to get those on. We might do it this weekend if I have time. My vacation is coming up this week. You're gonna come with me. I'll be recording it, so you won't miss any awesome things. But we might try to get those rock sliders on before we head down to the beach. Maybe if I have time. I don't know. Well, between the wind and the vehicles driving by, I decided to move the video inside so you can hear me better and I was less distracted. So what we were talking about were the Add-A-Leafs, and as I was saying, I had enough time to go out on some overland trips, go off-roading, and really break them in and test them out, and I'm more than happy with my purchase. Again, if you're looking for them, these torch Adeliefs will be down in the description if you're looking for a nice rear Adeleaf to lift the rear end of your truck up. I know this video has been pretty weird. I've been really busy and not been able to really dive as deep as I like to in my previous videos, but after my vacation is done, I'll be able to really do a deep dive on some of these topics and have more fun with them. So if you're liking this video, leave a like, hit a sub, check out my Instagram if you want to do a Q&A. We can go back and forth about anything, Tacoma stuff, whatever, overland stuff, camping gear. But yeah, there's my Instagram, Modern Day Viking. There's some dots in there. I'll post it again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Check out any of my other videos right here. This one's pretty cool. See you guys in the next one.